Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create this attractive dashboard from the sketch, and this is the dashboard we will be creating without using pivot table. You guys can see that I also have we have used some animated the GIF, right, and that is something which is really making my dashboard so more beautiful and more attractive, right? And this is something which is completely dynamic, guys. If I will change region of west, so you will be able to see everything is getting changed. If I'm selecting all, so I will be able to see my all the things in one go. Okay, on the bottom also I have this particular chart. Okay, if I will change anything here, you guys can see, but this the blue chart is something which based on the May. I mean, blow chart is basically something which is a completely static, because the west, the region, and the month only I just connected with the first visual, and this is something which is based on the static numbers and static performance, which is showing, which is not controlled by any filter, any drop down by anything, right? And we will be creating it from the sketch. Let's do it. Okay, so here you guys can see I have this row data. Okay, on the basis of this row data, we will be creating this chart. We will be creating this kind of dashboard. So I'm creating one sheet here. I'm writing here dashboard one. In dashboard one, I'm removing the grid line first. This is the first basic aspects that we need to cover, and after that go in the insert, go in the shape, and take any shape. I'm just taking this shape here and adjusting somewhere like this. Okay, by T. Alignment is so important, guys, and here I would like to have a color. Let's take it as a green. Let's make everything green. I have two dashboard, this one and this one. Now I would like to have a green. So here I am writing it attractive sales dashboard. Okay, and after that make it little bigger. Okay, and just select this shape and go in shape format, go in the shape effect and make it little, you know let's make it little attractive. So now click on the shape, go in the shape format and take one text box right here as created by ExcelVBA Expert. ExcelVBA Expert. Okay, now I am removing the background color of white and not keeping any color, no fill. Okay, and just now what next, I would like to have one you know two one GIF. Okay, go in the picture, go on online picture. Your laptop must be connected with the internet, otherwise it will not work. So I just clicked on the online picture. From the online, that we will import the animated GIF here. So let's do it. I'm writing here you know growth GIF. Growth GIF. I clicked. This is what you can pick. This is what you can pick. You guys can pick it and adjust somewhere wherever you want to adjust. I would like to have here. So you will see it will keep on running, and it will really make your dashboard so attractive. Go again in the insert and go in the picture, online picture, and take one. Take any icon. For example, I am taking here you know growth icon. Sorry, growth icon. So for this, that you will be able to have you know for example, I would like to have what kind of icon. I would like to have this one. I import it and make it little let's make it little small. Let's make it little small and adjust it somewhere. Now it is really making little sense. Okay, If you want to give any kind of suggestion, you guys can write here. For example, I'm just taking this one, copy and pasting it, and writing here something. I'm writing something. If you don't want to write, you can come and you can adjust somewhere and decrease the font size and write here. This dashboard is, you know, this dashboard has shown the full sales performance basis raw data, and everything everything is very confidential. Simple, whatever you want to write. Okay, I have written it for example and want to adjust here, and let's make it white. You see, now it is really looking little good. And remove the outline. I'm removing the outline. I removed the outline. Now you see, it is looking good. You can also, make it white. I'm also making it white. What next? Just take one frame. Go and insert, take one frame from here and draw it. I'm drawing it and removing the header of it. Now what you can have, you can directly go and insert, take, sorry, not take, just take the same text box, this text box, copy and paste and drag it here, and let's make it font, let's make the font black. Can write it here, select region, select region, simple, select region, and copy and paste and select month. Right here, select month. Very important thing, guys, I'm telling you. Select month. We are doing only designing part as of now, and let's take one shape. Let's take one shape, this shape. Okay, this shape, and let's make it green, this one. And shape effect, I would like to have this. Okay, and I would like to have one, now copy and paste and write it here as total sales. Write it here as total sales, and remove the outline. Very important thing, guys, remove the outline. Remove the outline. No outline. Simple. Okay, remove the outline. Simple. And now what next? You just need to copy it and group it. Let's group it. Let's group it. We grouped. Now copy and paste. Or sorry, copy, come here and paste it. Why? Group it, ungroup. Okay. Now let's group it. Okay, group. Sorry, not copy. Copy and paste. Okay, and again copy and paste. We have done it, right? And now let's make it total cost and total profit. And what next? Let's take a one icon. Let's take a icon. Go and insert picture, online picture, sales icon. I want to have a sales icon. Sales icon. Let's take sales icon. Very important, sales icon. And come here and take anything. For example, I'm taking which one? I'm taking this one. For example, I'm taking this one. Let's make it small. Everything we have, we are just need to find out the way. Okay, Let's make it little small and adjusted here. We have adjusted here. Okay, we have adjusted here, and let's make little small. We have adjusted here. Okay, now let's take one more icon of coast. Okay, right here coast. Right here coast icon, and take what I should take. Let's take it this one, and this will be for profit. I think it will be best for the profit. Let's consider it for the profit, not for the cost. I don't want to open any link. Let's delete it. Last for the cost, picture, online picture. Now we almost have done the formatting part. Post icon, post icon, and let's take but we should be, let's take this one. See, the decoration is something which is in your hand. What actually you have to show, that is something is your mind and your practice and your analytical mind, decide. The very very important thing is related. Okay, now I have a support sheet. I am hiding it. Okay, and taking two, here going in developer, taking two combo box. This is the combo box, combo, and dragging it till here. Copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste. I did it. Now let's take one support sheet. Support one. I want to have two combo box of region. Paste it here and simply make it unique. And we have to make it like all. All is also very important. And same for month. Let's make it unique. Copy and value paste. Let's make it unique. We have make the unique and all. Month. I want to show the index of month here and region of here. Now come in the dashboard, right click on the region, format control. Here in the input, go in control, in input range you have to again go back to your support one and select this, and cell link, what cell link you want to give. For region I would like to give H2 and 3D shading. Simple. Now you will be having this drop down, right? And for the month, format control, input range, in input range go in the support one, select everything like this. Okay, cell link, but cell link will be your G2 and 3D shading. Okay, now if you will see, if I am selecting all in both, so what I will be having, I will be having one. So what I would like to show, the actual thing, that is what the things that we selected in the combo box. Index, in index, like this one, row number will be +1, comma 0, enter. All simple. Index, this one, +1, comma 0. Now if I will select here, east or April 6, so you will be able to see the both. These are the two things that which I wanted to show, and I have shown here. Okay, now what next? I would like to have sales, cost and profit. Okay, as per the region selection, only as per the region selection. Region selection and, yes, region selection and month selection. Okay, so what I would like to have, I would like to have sum if, simple if, and, yeah, or. For example, if not here, on the basis of one thing I would like to show here. I can also show on the basis of two, but let's show here, okay, on the basis of only region. If region is all, then sum if the sales and region region selection will be this one. Else show the static number. Sum if it is unequal to all, then otherwise sum. Come here, come in the row data and show the full sale. Simple. And I would like to have control one here, okay, to make it in the 1000 custom. And let's make it hash comma hash k. Simple. Okay. And now next, if I will select, instead of east, if I will select all, then you see, okay, if I will select, let's give one more criteria, okay, and month also, then it will be little okay, we can give. And if this is unequal to all, or this is also, sorry, this is also unequal to all, this is also unequal to all, then I will have one more criteria, sum by not month one. So month. This one. Or let's use it or. Okay, if we have anything, for example, if something which is unequal to all, if we have selected something different, for example, I'm selecting here east, so you will be able to see I am getting this answer, right? If we will have all in a both, right, then I will be having the simple studying number. You see, if I'm selecting all and here also selecting all, here I am also selecting all. Now you will be able to see I am getting full of sum 74,000 something, and let's test it. So you will be able to see 74,000 something, right? And now EFGH. Okay, so in F I have sales, and same condition will, the condition will be same. Only we need to change the sum range value. Instead of F, let's make it G. And now we have a cost. And after that copy it and paste. Now let's make it H. Okay, so here just a moment guys, please. All right, so here now I am having everything here, right? But FGH, one more thing we need to change. In the sum I have to change this one. This will be also G. Okay, and this will be also H. Now now let's make it and assign the values in the text box, I mean the shape. Equal to support, select this one, enter. And let's make it in the center and make it little big and bold. Simple. Same here. Equal to equal to support one, this, and make the size same. Make it center, bold. Let's make it little big. 24. Size is 24. And profit also. Double click on it. On the shape, double click. Equal to support one and profit. and make it in the center. And let's increase the size of it. 24. Now let's test it. I am selecting East and selecting any month. You will be able to see everything is getting changed. Now we have done it, right? Now let's make the chart, this chart, agent wise, right? So let's make the let's make the unique list of agent first. Agent. I would like to show here what I have shown. I have shown here, you will be able to see what is the total sales they have done, what is the cost, okay, on a each sales, and what was the profit. Okay, the three things that I want to show: total sales, simple sales, cost, profit. Okay, on the on the basis of only on the basis of only not only on the basis of two combo words. Okay, now let's do it. If or this is, we have used the all, right? We have used the and. If and if this is unequal to, freeze it, unequal to all, and simple if this is unequal to all, then let's do the sum if. Let's do the sum if. Come here, F2, and after that sales. Come here, give the criteria. You must have understanding of the functions, guys. Then you will be able to solve. Region, and region you guys have here, region, and after that months you have here, months, here months. If this is unequal to all, then it will be the same, otherwise the static sum of against the each agents. So this will be the sum value, and this will be your agent criteria. Okay. Now we have done anything wrong. Sum if, sum if, sum if. Okay. So we have not closed here the open close bracket. Okay. Now let's make it here. So if we will give this month, then it will be not showing everything fully. So let's do one thing to show the our visual absolutely correct. So let's make it only on the region. Let's give the filter only on the region. So in sum if it is G, where is the G? G is here. Okay. Now let's remove it. Remove this part and drag it. Okay, now you will be able to see. Now copy it same and paste it. Now you have to change only one thing. Instead of F, it will be your G, and here also G. Okay, and then H. For the profit it will be H. Without pivot we are always doing, you see, H, H. Let's make it in the 1000. Now let's create the chart. So cut it, come here and paste it. We have to paste it here. Okay, agent wise. Now let's give the title agent wise sales performance, wise sales performance. Okay, and remove the grid line, and after that right click on it, go in, change chart type. Profit we have to show in the line. Profit I want to show only in the line. It's all right, I show in the line. Okay, and simple click on OK. And after that what you have to do is you have to change the color of it. For example, I'm changing it is blue one, I am making it as a green. Let's make it as a green. Okay, and this one I'm making it as a maroon color. Maroon will be okay. And after that the line one I would like to have here as dark blue. In the dark blue I would like to set the little alignment and little formatting of the line, and let's make it smooth. smooth line. Okay, and let's give the marker as well. So in the marker, come here, gives the marker here, built in. Select the circle one, this circle one, give the little size, and color I would like to have here yellow, this yellow. Okay, simple. Now what else I can have? I can have here data label. Data label only I want to show only of the profit, because for the columns that I already have, I have axis. This is the primary axis, this is the secondary axis, right? And profit I would like to show in little, in the different color, in this color. Now it seems good. And I can also change the column style as well. So for the column style, go in the shape effect, give it as a this one. And for the red one, for the maroon one also you can have this. Now it is really looking little nice. And let's make it everything dark black. Let's make it everything dark black. It will be looking good. Okay, see. All right, now you see everything is looking good. Okay, so now let's do it full screen. Wow, it is really looking good. Best, you see, correct? It is really looking good. All everything we are having the good performance. But label I would like to have on the above, because it is really making little congested. Let's make it above. For the above, now it will show you the clear picture. Okay, you will be able to see. Okay, what next we need to do is, let's create one more chart on the month. So for the month, come on the draw data. What you need to do, copy it first. Let's copy the date. Copy the date, come here and paste it and short it. You have to short it oldest to newest, right? And mark, now you have to use the text function and get the date like this. MMM, three times. Copy and paste. Copy it, paste it, and remove the duplicates. Simple. Here you have a month. Now what you have to show? You have to show only two things. What two things? That you have to show what was the, see, what I have done, you will be able to see. I have shown total cost. What was the total cost? I would like to have here the okay, I have shown here the variation, month or month trend. So what basically I want to do is, I would like to have current last month sale, sorry, current month sale of profit. I can profit in amount. Okay, in profit, and last month profit, last profit. Simple. And after that I want to show the variation, the chart. So what I can do, I can simply have sum if, go here and take the profit and select the month, this month, simple, come here. Okay, this is the profit. And now what I can I can have this one. So in the current month, I am having this sale, but in the last, in the January, as compared the Jan, okay, it is the lesser. So for what we can do, simply we can do this divided by this and minus 1. And if error you guys can put, for the if error you will be having this one. You see. Now if you will look at, so in the month of January it was 42,000 something, but in the month of February it is 39,000. So if you will compare, so it is in relation to the Jan month, so it is minus 6% profit. Okay, 6% less profit that we have made in the month of Feb as compared to the last month of Jan. You guys can look at the the data here. So I would also like to have it in the thousands first, and now simply I'm making the chart, making the chart, this chart, and let's cut it. Come here in the dashboard, come here and paste it. Simple. After pasting, what you can do, these are the two important visuals that we need to show. And here I would like to write here month on month, month on month, profit trends. Okay, and let's make it little darker. Okay, remove it. Right click, change chart type, go in the combo box, not combo box, combo. For variation, let's have a one line, and for the cluster column chart, it should be like I would like to have not cluster, I would like to have this one. Alright. Now I am having this view. Now you see it is really looking little nice. So I would like to have a same color. Right click on this uh, format plot area. Okay, for the columns I would like to have the gap. So for the gaps, what I would like gap, I would like to decrease. I mean here decrease, but actually it is getting increased. Alright. And the for the line, so blue one I would like to show, blue one I would like to show as a green. Blue one I would like to show as a green. This one. And above I would like to show as yellow. So not yellow, it should be, it is better maroon. And let's make it line chart as dark blue. Okay, and decrease the, I mean decrease the width of it, width of the line. Let's make it a smooth line. Okay, and mm, now go in the marker, take one marker as a circle, built in. Let's take it as a circle and increase the size and give the solid yellow for the yellow. Okay, now I would like to have what I would like to have for the column. I would like to change it, not a primary axis. Now what you can do, remove it. Let's take the one label only for line. For line I would like to have on the above side. Okay, for the above, for above I would like to have above. Inside I'm not having the clear view here. Let's decrease it, select the line, come here on the data label above. Now let's take it as a little yellow. The yellow is really looking good. Let's take it as a dark green. For the dark green, is it okay? Now let's make it little yellow is better. Yellow is better. It is really looking, I mean, it actually is making little sense and visible for everyone. Gold and dark black. Now let me make it full screen. Now you see, I'm going down. You will be able to see this is something that we have created. If I'm selecting anything here, west, okay, anything, so you will be able to see that this is 37,000 something the sales that we made, and out of 37, 27 was our cost. And you know, after all the calculation, that the profit was of 10.02k, and you know, whatever the expenditure that we have done, and that is something which we already have excluded, right? So this is something which is, you know, we created from the scratch. I hope guys that you have liked and like the video, and still if you have any confusion, you want me to explain more, you want me to make the video on another topic, you guys can let me know in the description, I mean in the comment box. And I also will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.